Class 7, chapter number 4, angles and pair of angles. Before we discuss about the practice set 15 and the next is practice set 16. Here the measure of the same angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angles. Before we means, what is the means of complementary angles? Here complementary angles means two angles of sum is equal to 90 degree. Two angles of sum is equal to 90 degree means two angles, any angles, 30 degree plus 60 degree. How much it is angle? 90 degree. And 40 degree plus 50 degree. How much its angle is? 90 degree. Total. The two angles of sum equal to 90 degree. Here two angles is there na. Its sum na angle how much? It is 90 degree. This is the complementary angle. And then here we find of the complementary angle. First we solve the 40 degree. Here taken 40 degree. How to write? Here write, let the measure of the complementary angle be s degree. So it is, how much it is, right? 40 degree plus here another degree taken, s degree, so equal to 90 degree. The sum of two angles of is complementary angles is equal to 90 degree is complement angles. Then 90 degree minus 40 degree. How much it is? S degree is 50 degree. So here 50 plus 40 degrees, how much it is? 90 degree. So how it is right? Measure of measure of complementary angle of an angle of 40 degree and is 50 degree. So it is right. And this second one is, which this angle is 63 degree. How it is right? Let the measure of the complement angle of s. Let the measure of the complement angle be s degree. And then it is right, 63 degree plus s dot degree, it is 90 degree. Then 63 here taken, simple as s degree equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. How much it is? It is 27 degree. How it is right? Measure of the complement angle of an angle of measures how much? 63 degree is 27 degree. 63 degree is 27 degree. This is the complementary angle. And the third one. What is the third one? Third one is 45 degree. How it is right? Let the 45 degree. Here how to write? How to write here? 45 degree here plus x degree equal to 90 degree. And x degree is equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree. How to x dot degree? How much it is? 45 degree. 45 degree plus 45 degree, how much it is? 90 degree. So it is the complementary, the measure of the complementary angle of an angle of measure. How much it is? 45 degree is 45 degree is 45 degree. Both are complementary angle. And the fourth one is 55 degree. How to write here? Let 55 degree and let the measure of the complement angle be x degree. Here the angle of x degree. And how to write? Here 55 degree plus x degree is equal to how much? Complementary angle 90 degree. So x dot equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree, and x dot is equal to how much it is? Minus 90 minus 55, it is 35 degree. So how to write? Measure of the complement angle of an measure is 30 how much? 55 degree is 35 degree. And the fifth one what is? Here 20 degree. How to write? Let the, yes, fifth one is 20 degree. Let the measure of the complement angle be x dot, then x degree. How to write? X degree plus 20 degree is equal to 90 degree. How to write? X dot is equal to 90 degree minus x dot degree, and here 90 minus x dot not, here taken 20 degree. 90 minus 20, it is how much? 70 degree. So 70 plus 20, how much it is? 90 degree. So measure of the complement angle of an measure is how much? Right, then 20 degree is 70 degree. And the sixth one is what is there? 90 degree. 90 degree is also complementary degree, na? So how to it is solved? It is already 90 degree. So let the measure of the complement angle be x degree. Here write x degree plus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So x degree is equal to 90 degree minus 90 degree. So x degree is equal to how much? 0 degree. So it is right. Measure of the complement angle of an measure is 90 degree is 0 degree, means 0. And the last one is which? X dot x degree. Here dx degree. Here let the measure of the complement angle is x degree. So how it is right? Here the complementary angle of taken the one angle is a degree. Already x degree is there, na? So the we taken the measure angle of one measure angle of complementary angle. Here taken s degree is there, na? So here taken a naught degree is we taken. So how it is right? X degree plus, before x degree is there, na? So here taken s degree, na? So here taken a naught degree. X degree plus a degree. How much it is complementary angle? 90 degree. So a degree and how much? 90 degree minus x degree. So it is also right, 90 minus x degree whole raised to degree. It is also this type right. So here how to write? The measure of the complement angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x raised to degree. It is right. It is the seventh one. And the second question is y minus 20 and y plus 30 are the measure of the complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Here the 2 points are taken. How much degrees are there? Y, the answer is y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree. Here the two measures of complementary angles are the measures of complementary angles is taken. So how it is solved before? We find of the y. So complementary angle means 90 degree. So here taken two angles is there, y minus 2 plus y plus 30 degree. So complement angle is 90 degree. So here taken y one side and degree is taken one side. Y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Then here y plus 2y. 20 minus 30, it is 10 is the plus 30 is bigger number, so it is taken plus 30 plus 10. So then is equal to 90 degree. Y is 2y is taken 90 degree minus 10 degree. So how much it is? 80. How much it is? 80 degree. 90 minus 10 is 80 degree. Then y is equal to 80 degree upon 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are and 0 is taken and y is equal to 40 degree. So here we find of the y. So it is the two questions are measures the angles is there na. So we find of the first y minus 20 degree. The here write measure of first angle. How much it is? Y minus 20 raised to degree. So y how much it is? 40. So 40 minus 20 raised to degree is equal to 20. 40 minus 20 means it is 20. The measure of the first angle is 20 and the second, how it is right? Similarly write the measure of second angle. The measure of second angle what is? Y plus 30 whole raised to degree. So y how much? 40 degree plus 30 degree. Both are plus. How much it is? 70 degree. Yes na? So how it is right? So how it is right? Therefore the measure of the two angles is how much? 20 degree and 70 degree. Here Jana 20 degree 70 degree. Here find the measure of each angles taken. First is 20 degree and second one is 70 degree. This type right. This is the second answer. It is find of the complementary angles of first one question. Complete the practice set of 16.